Hello, welcome to the coffee machine cleaning tutorial. First, take out all of the appropriate cleaning products. Then, fill out the bottle approximately up to here. Fill out about 20 to 25 cc of the blue liquid. Then, pour it into the bottle.
Excellent.
Now, take the second bottle and fill it with water for about half a minute.
Alright.
Look at the little blue screen and follow the instructions. Menu. Cleaning brush. Cleaning program. No switching off. Cleaning starts now. Open the milk refrigerator, and withdraw the cable from the tank. Unplug the cables behind, as well as the dispensing spout. Take the box with the cleaning solution in it. Pour out the dirty water and replace it with new clean water. Then put the dirty parts into the clean water. Add about 20–25 cc of blue liquid.
Good job.
Plug in all the clean parts back into the machine, spouts and cables. Insert the milk cable into the bottle with the blue water, and click "Yes" on the blue screen.
Excellent.
Repeat these actions with the regular water bottle. Click "Yes" on the blue screen. After it finished with the rinsing, click "Yes" again, and wait for the machine to end the process. Now you'll need to click "Yes" and empty the grounds.
Excellent. Alright. Good job.
Open tablet insert. Insert the cleaning tablet, duh. Click "Yes" and wait for the machine to finish cleaning itself. Alright, thank you, have a great day, bye bye, we're finished.